Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be demonstrating how to make a power bank from a laptop battery. This video is a part of a larger video that I have previously published titled Projects for Old and/or Broken Laptops. If you want to see more laptop projects, please feel free to watch the full video. Messing with the battery of a laptop can be very dangerous and should not be done if you don't fully understand the risks associated with it. Attempt this next project at your own risk. That being said, what this project is about is making a rechargeable power bank from the laptop battery. To do this, I first need to very carefully open the laptop battery and remove the individual lithium-ion cells. I'm wearing protective gear and I'm being very cautious not to damage or short-circuit the cells. Making a mistake here can lead to the battery bursting into flames. If you want to see what I'm talking about, please feel free to browse the abundance of internet videos showing compromised lithium-ion batteries. Now that I have separated the lithium-ion cells, I need to check their voltage in order to determine their integrity. If the voltage of a cell has dropped below 3 volts, the cell needs to be disposed of in an appropriate manner, since it has become unsafe to use. The cells that still have a voltage above 3 volts should be safe to handle, but always keep in mind that damaged or modified batteries are a potential danger. Now, an individual lithium-ion cell does not a power bank make, but there is an easy solution for that. Individual lithium-ion cell power bank cases can be purchased on the internet for cheap, and they allow the lithium-ion cell to be connected to a telephone for charging or to a power source for recharging. And there it is, one power bank ready for use. Despite it being complete, I will still exercise extra caution with it by keeping it away from flammable materials and definitely not carrying it around in my pocket, and most certainly not taking it on an airplane. So this was all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available.